कांसावलेच्या लोकांचो रेल्वे उडाणपूल बांदपाक विरोध जातालो. आतां सरकार पक्षाची थळावी आमदार आलिना साल्ढानानूय आपली सुवात रेल्वे उडाणपुलाक दिवपाक न्हयकारल्या. माथानी साल्ढानान तेन्ना उडाणपूल करपाचो प्रस्ताव दिल्लो. हे जितले सत आसा तितलेच सत दोट्टी मार्गा बद्दलूय आसा आनी जंय दोट्टी मार्गाचो संबंद आसा थंय आपलो विरोध आसतलोच अशें आमदार आलिना साल्ढानान स्पश्ट केलां.
The basic difference between the ROB that was proposed by Lake Mathani Saldana and the ROB that is proposed by the South Western Railway Authority is that the South Western Railway Authority is proposing this ROB to assist doubling of South Western Railway track, whereas Mathani's proposal was for the benefit of the common men, and at that point of time the issue of doubling was not in the horizon at all. I will never support anything that had any proposal, any project that is linked with doubling, because doubling is going to turn people's lives upside down, and I will not be a party to such kind of proposals and projects that will destroy people. We cannot call this project as developed. Come here to place my objection to the acquisition of my land for this proposed bridge, because this bridge is part of the plan for doubling of the South Western Railway track. I am totally against doubling of the South Western Railway track, because this doubling will be a source of misery, day in, day out misery for the people living in the houses along the present alignment of the South Western Railway track, because it will, destroy people's lives, it will destroy people's health by way of coal dust pollution, noise pollution. It will destroy our heritage. It will make our houses landlocked. And to such a project, definitely we cannot give our consent.